In this session, we'll be looking at Python list of dictionaries. We already discussed about list, where a list is a collection of elements where the elements can be of any type. Okay, so when I say the elements are of any type, the element can be a dictionary also. Okay, so when I say dictionary, what is a dictionary? Dictionary is a kind of uh, combination of key and value. Okay, a pair of key and value. That is what we discussed. So in this session we'll be looking at how do you create, how do you create a list of dictionaries, fine, and we'll manipulate the dictionary also. So let me get into my okay, Jupyter notebook. Yeah, so let me just say let me just create a list first. Let me call this as students equal to, okay, it's an empty list, actually it's an empty list. Okay, fine. Just give enter. So if you look at the type of this data, okay, I just go down. I'll just say type of students. So it's a list. Okay. Now what I'll do, how can I create a list of dictionaries? So within this, look at this. Okay, I'll put within the square bracket, I put a flower bracket. Then I just, when you say dictionary, it should be a combination of, okay, key and value pair. So I'll just say name of the student will be Raj, comma, age, okay, key will have value 23. Okay, then city will have Chennai. Chennai. Okay, so now you can see here, this is the first, okay, dictionary item, okay, within the list. So list starts here, it is going to end here. But as far as now, so far we have created only one, okay, dictionary item. Let me just copy this, Control C, Control V. Look at this. This is the second dictionary item. Let me say Raj. Other second person, student name is Kumar. Age will be 21. Okay, city will be, okay, Bangalore. Fine. So like that, you can see that the structure. This is called a list of dictionaries. Okay, where the list starts here, the list ends here, and you have a dictionary item, first dictionary item, okay, which is having three fields or three keys: name, age, and city, and the corresponding values are Raj 23 Chennai. And the second, okay, dictionary item will be again having name, age, and city with Kumar 21 and Bangalore. Okay, now let me just print this, okay, list. Look at this. Yeah, I got both the, okay, dictionary items. Look at this. So it's a flower bracket. Within the flower bracket, you get details about the first student, then comma, details about the second student. Okay, now if I have to access, okay, by index, so what can I do? I can just say print. I want only Raj details. So I can say, so you see, students is a list basically. So if you want the first item or the first student information within the list, then, okay, as we ever do, okay, with the students of 0 will give you, look at this, Raj. Okay, then suppose if I give students of 1, I'll get Kumar. Okay, because the students is a list. So the list, always it has indexing. It starts at 0, 1, 2, 3, like that it goes. 0th item is a dictionary. So when you put students of 0, you get first dictionary item, first student information, complete details. Okay, now within that, I want, suppose I want the city of the student. So students of 1, then within square bracket I can say city. Look at this. I'll get Bangalore because Kumar is in Bangalore. Suppose if I say 0, that means 0th students of 0 city, I'll get Chennai. Okay, so this is how you access a dictionary within a list, right? Now we have created a list of dictionaries statically, but what should I do if I have to create a list of dictionaries dynamically? Okay, so let me just create an empty list, employees or employee. emp is equal to, I'll create an empty list. I'll just give enter. Then I'll go here. Then now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a list of employees with name, employee ID, name, and salary, everything. And I want to have the all this information to be added inside that EMP list. Now I want to do this process, okay, for until the user says no, okay, stop it. Okay, so I just want to keep on adding the employee information into EMP list, right? But the employee information will be a dictionary item. Okay, so what can I do? So what I'll do, just say while true. I'll put a while true. So this will be a never-ending process, never-ending true loop. But of course, somehow I will come out of the loop using some parameters. Just wait and see. Now what I'll do, first I said employee. Employee means employee ID. I'll just say employee ID is equal to, take the employee ID input. Okay, enter the employee ID. Fine. Then I'll just take name, control C, control V, EMP name, input, enter the employee name. Okay, then I'll just say salary equal to control V, input, enter the salary. Okay, now these three details have come. But now what should I do? I should create a dictionary using these three information. Then I should add inside the employee list. Right? So what I'll just create an empty EM. Let me call E is equal to dict. I'll create an empty dictionary. Okay, then what I'll say? I'll just say E of name or E of employee ID is equal to employee ID. That means what? See, whatever employee ID I enter here will be set as this dictionary's key called EMP ID. Okay, so a dictionary can be dynamically enhanced, as in see, dynamically can be added with new fields. The E of EMP ID is equal to EMP ID. Okay, I said that. Then I'll just say E is nothing but the dictionary variable. See, the statement number 5 now, here it creates an empty dictionary. Okay, so it creates a dictionary object to which E refers to. Now we are setting the fields here: employee ID, then employee name will be EMP name, then E of salary will be salary. Right? So with the given information, with the input information, we have created a dictionary item called E. Now what should I do? I should add this E or dictionary item into EMP list. So what I'll do, EMP dot append E. So you look at this. Now our employee information, see whatever employee information got added inside the EMP list. Then what I will do, I'll just say, do you want to continue? So I'll just control C, control V. Let me call in a choice CHO, input, enter C. Do you want to continue or want one more employee? Okay, if he says no, it will come out. No for quit. Okay, if CHO is equal to N, then we just break. Okay, fine. Otherwise, okay, it will continue and take the information. So it will create, for example, Raj, Kumar. Okay, so like that, so many employees are getting added. And suppose if you say, no means it will quit. Otherwise, what we do, we just come out of the while loop and just print the EMP. Complete list of employees will be printed. Now look at this. Okay, I just enter the employee ID. So I'll just say 101. Employee name Raj. Salary, I'll just say 30,000. Want one more employee, I'll just say yes. Okay, employee ID 102. Okay, I'll just say Madan. Okay, fine. Salary will be 25,000. Okay, do you want one more employee? Yes, I'll just say 103. Okay, Jiva, employee name. Salary will be 40,000. No. So when I say no, look at this. I'm getting all my employees printed. So you can just watch carefully. See, this is a list that's called EMP list starts here, and we have added three dictionary items inside that EMP list. Okay. So every time we enter some values like 101 Raj salary 30,000 and all, we have created one dictionary object. Then we are adding the dictionary object inside the EMP, appending the dictionary object inside the EMP list. So we just continue this process until okay the user says N. N means no, he doesn't want to continue. Okay, then we just print the information. Now if I just go down, if I just say, I just go here, look at this. I just want to print all these values one by one. So I'll just say for EMP in for E in EMP, because EMP is the EMP print E. That means from employee, see employee is basically it's a list. So when you say for E in EMP, every element within the TMP list will be picked up and put it in E. And E will be, of course, because every element is a dictionary right now. So those elements will be printed one by one. That means employee Raj 101 salary, then 102 Madan salary. All these things, look at this. The employee ID 101, employee name Raj, salary is 30,000. Okay, then employee ID, 102 Madan 25,000. So you see, look at this. This for loop, basically it's called iterator, which picks information from the EMP list one by one, and every element is a dictionary. So it's just printing a dictionary within a flower bracket. Fine. Okay. Now, if what should I do if I want to selectively print information? Selectively print information. So what I'll do for see, I want to have just I want to give a name for that. For example, name is equal to input. Enter the name you want. Name of employee you want. Okay, I'll take the name. Then only if that name matches, now I want to display the information. So what I'll do for E in EMP. So we iterate okay within the list one by one. Okay. Then if E of name, because see E is nothing but a dictionary. It has got three keys. Name, it's not EMP name. EMP name is equal to name. See that the dictionary within the list contains three fields: EMP ID, EMP name, salary. Now I want to pick out one employee out of the list. So I'm entering the name of the employee here. Look at this. I'm entering name of the employee here. Then I iterate over the employee one by one. And E is nothing but is the dictionary which you picked out from the list. If EMP name is equal to name, whatever I entered, then print it. Print okay E. Fine, that's it. Now what I'll do, I'll just say enter the name of the employee you want. Okay, I want Raj. Look at this, I got Raj. Okay, then if I just say okay, Jiva, I got Jiva got printed. Okay, suppose if I enter a name which is not there, okay, I'll just say Harish. Nothing will be printed because Harish is not there in the list. Okay, so this is how you what you do is you just iterate over the list of items within the list of dictionaries within the list, and then you display selectively whatever you want. Okay, suppose if I have to remove a particular employee, so again I can do that also. I'll just copy this. Okay, so sorry, I just copy this code, Control C, Escape B, I just paste it here. Enter the name of the employee you want to remove. Then again, you see it goes like this. Okay, if employee name is equal to name, then what I'll do, I'll just say emp dot remove emp. Sorry, yes, E should be removed. See, look at this. For E in emp, that means we pick out from employee one by one. So now if E of emp name is equal to name, then emp dot remove E. That means from this employee list, remove this employee. Okay, now see, this EMP list contains set of items where every element or item is a dictionary. Okay, so that particular dictionary item will be removed actually. See, when you say remove, the removes any element which you specify. See, it can be a scalar element, it can be a number, it can be a string, or it can be a dictionary item also. Here, coincidentally, sorry, what happened now? We have created a list of dictionaries. So when I say emp.remove and when you give if E is a dictionary item and if it is there inside your employee list, that will get removed. Now you just see, I just say, yeah, now let me just print the, before I just remove, I'll just print that, print EMP. See, I have, yeah, Raj and Madan and Jiva. Now I want to remove Madan. So what I'll do, okay, once I go down, see, now I'll just run it, Madan. I think it should have been removed. Let's go down and print EMP again. Print EMP again. Look at this. We have Raj and Jiva only. Madan got removed. Okay. So when you say list dot remove, then an item, if the item is anything, it can be a number, it can be a string, or it can be any object. If that object, or see, when I say number or string, everything is an object. If that object is supposed to be inside that list, no, that will get removed. That's it. It doesn't matter. It's a scalar variable, or a list, a dictionary item, whatever it is. If the item or element is inside that list, that will get removed. That's it. Okay, fine. So hope this session was useful with respect to a list of dictionaries, and then we manipulated, added some dictionary items inside the list, and we have viewed specific items inside the list, dictionary items in the list, and then we removed one of the dictionary items from the list. Okay, so we will meet in some other session with more examples. Thank you.